everyone. Today we are going to see Boolean laws. In this, first we will see annulment law. In this law, we are going to see that A dot 0 will be 0 and A plus 1 will be 1. Means if we'll take the product of input with 0, the output will be 0, and we add 1 in any of the input, the output will be 1. Now another law is Boolean law is identity law. Identity law, we have A plus 0 is equal to A. Then A dot 1 is equal to A. All these Boolean laws are very useful to solve the Boolean expressions. For that, all the Boolean laws must be understood properly. Then we'll see idempotent law. Idempotent law. And in this law, A plus A is equal to A. Also, A dot A is equal to A. So from this we can say that if the self input is get added or get producted, then the output is A. Means A plus A. Similar, A dot A, in both the cases the output is O. Then complement law. Complement law says that A dot negation of A is equal to 0. Here we can say A bar or A negation, or even we can say A complement. All the three things are same. This bar we can say A bar or A complement, or we can even say negation of A, and A plus A bar is equal to 1. Another is double negation. What is double negation? Double negation. Double negation means if suppose A double bar is there which is equal to A, the two negations will be get out of this. They get move. So A double negation is simply A. Okay. Now we'll go for communicative law. Cumulative law. Cumulative law is very simple one. Suppose A plus B is there, we can write this B plus A. Okay. Or simply we have A dot B, then it can be written as B dot A. Simply we can change its place, which is called the cumulative law. Then another is associative law. Now what this associative law is, A plus B plus C, suppose if it is like this, A plus B plus C, then you can write this as A plus B in one bracket plus C. You can simply move this C out of the bracket. If suppose it is A dot B dot C, you can write this as A dot B bracket complete dot C. So this is nothing but the associative law. The last law that we are going to study is distributive law. Distributive law. In distributive law, suppose we have A dot B plus C. Simply what we are going to do? We are going to distribute this thing. Means A dot B plus A dot C. Okay. So we can write this as A dot B plus A dot C. Suppose we have A plus B dot C, then this can be written as A plus B in another bracket A plus C. So with this we'll stop here, and I hope this Boolean laws will be applicable when you will go for the solving of Boolean expressions.